Hindi sila swak doon sa mga work na yon. Meron kaming na-hire na hindi swak. So, wala talagang mangyayari. And even tama yung mga taong na-hire namin, hindi naman namin na-train ng mabuti. So, we did not clarify what we expected from them so that they can perform well. And yung iba, na-train nga namin, okay, pero hindi naman namin chinek yung kanilang performance na, kumbaga, ano yung na-train namin sa kanila, nagagawa ba nila ng mabuti? And then, automatically, every year, nagtataas kami ng sweldo kasi sabi sa newspaper, sabi ng mga tao, no? Sabi ng gobyerno, pero hindi namin alam na kapag ang tao ay tinataasan mo lang ng sweldo ng pare-pareho, what we were actually doing was that we were rewarding those who were not performing well, and we were demoralizing and demotivating yung mga gumagawa ng trabaho, yung mga nagpa-perform ng mabuti. Ginagawa din ba ninyo yon, yung pagtataas lang ng sweldo na pare-pareho? Well, now that I've fixed those issues, I can surely help you to grow your business by growing your employees.